Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Tik Tok account private. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime Music. I have a link to a 30-day free trial in my video description, so stick around until the end of this video and I'll give you more details on this. Anyways, now let's begin. To make your account private, first just open it and log into it. Once you have logged into it, you take it to your home page and it looks like this. You want to go to your profile page, and to do that, look on the bottom right hand corner. You see this person icon? Click on that, and this will take you to your profile page. Once you're here, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three dots? Click on those, and this will take you to your privacy and settings. You want to go to over here where it says privacy and safety. Click on that, and this is where the private account setting is at. And they say when the account is private, only people approved by you can see your content. Existing followers will not be affected. So right now it's white, that means it's turned off. If I click on it, it will turn green. This means it's on, and when I go back, it should it will save the settings. That's how you can make your account private. If you have any other questions, please click in the video. Leave them in the comment section. And like I said before, this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime Music. Amazon Prime Music offers unlimited ad-free access to over 1 million songs in addition to other Prime benefits. You can instantly stream over 40,000 movies and TV episodes, borrow books from the Kindle Owner's Lending Library, and my absolutely favorite one is you can get unlimited free 2-day shipping with no minimum order size. This is really my favorite one out of all these benefits. And like I said, I have a 30-day free trial link in my video description. So if you want to try the Amazon Prime Music benefit for just 30 days with no commitment, and at the end, if you don't like it, go ahead and cancel. They won't charge you anything. So click in my video description, find the link, and try out Amazon Prime Music. Thank you for watching.